In this video, we're going to determine mortgage payment using formula. So aside using Excel to find mortgage payment, we can also determine mortgage payment using the formula PMT equals P times APR over N divided by 1 minus 1 plus APR over N exponent negative NT, where your PMT is the regular payment amount or deposit, and P is your starting principal or the borrowed amount. APR is your annual percentage rate. You have your N, which is the number of payment periods per year, and T is the loan term in year. So now let's consider a home mortgage of $225,000 at a fixed APR of 4.5% for 15 years. So to calculate the monthly mortgage using this formula right here, we have PMT equals our P, which is the borrowed amount, is $225,000. Your APR converted to a decimal is 0.045. We divide that by 12 over 1 minus 1 plus 0.045 divided by 12 exponent negative 12 times 15. So now we're going to do this in bit. So starting with the numerator value, and you have to always follow the PEMDAS. Okay, so we're going to start with the expression in the parenthesis. So you divide 0.045 by 12. Whatever value you get, you multiply by 225,000. And that gave me 843.75 at the top. And now to look at the denominator, you want to also start with the expression in the parenthesis. So you divide 0.045 by 12, add it to 1. So that is 1.00375. Exponent, you want to multiply 12 by 15, and that is negative 180. We keep going. So now you have 843.75 divided by, so you're going to raise 1.00375 to negative 180. And that is 0.509, and you want to write out all the decimal. You don't want to round in between your calculation. If not, you will not get the desired final unit that you are looking for. So you have 843.75 divided by, so now you subtract that whole decimal from a 1. That is 0.490200379. And if you divide these two numbers, 843.75 by 0.490200379, that gives us 1721.23 cents. So that is your monthly mortgage payment. Now to find the total payback, if you make this payment every month for 15 years, that is 309.81.40 cents, and this money includes interest.